Are you struggling with stubborn belly fat, mood swings, poor sleep, or fatigue that just doesn't seem to go away, no matter what you try? After 40, these symptoms often point to one hidden cause: hormonal imbalance. But here's the exciting part: certain everyday foods can actually help bring your hormones back into balance naturally. So if you want to feel energized, focused, and back in control of your body, stay with me as we explore 6 powerful foods every woman over 40 should be eating. Segment 1: Understanding the problem. Hormonal imbalance is one of the biggest health challenges women face in midlife, whether you're in the US, the UK, or Canada. When your hormones fall out of sync, it can feel like your body is working against you. The main hormones to pay attention to are estrogen, progesterone, and cortisol. When these are unbalanced, women often experience sleepless nights and low energy, weight gain around the belly and hips, brain fog, anxiety, or mood swings, hot flashes and other menopause symptoms, higher risk of heart disease and diabetes. It's not just getting older, these are signs your body's internal communication systems need support. But before reaching for medication, there's something much simpler you can do: feed your hormones the nutrients they need to thrive. Segment 2: What science says. Research from Harvard Medical School, the UK's NHS, and Health Canada all point to the same conclusion: your diet plays a massive role in maintaining hormonal health. The right foods can help your body naturally regulate estrogen, balance cortisol, improve progesterone levels, and even ease menopause symptoms. And the best part? You don't need exotic superfoods or expensive supplements. These are affordable, everyday foods you can pick up from any grocery store, from New York to London to Toronto. Segment 3 to 6 foods that balance hormones. Let's dive into the 6 foods that will help bring your hormones back into balance and restore your energy from the inside out. Food number 1: Flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in phytoestrogens, compounds that help balance estrogen naturally. They also support digestion and reduce inflammation, both crucial for hormonal stability. Food number 2: Avocados. Packed with healthy fats and fiber, avocados support progesterone production and help balance blood sugar, preventing energy crashes and mood swings. Food number 3: Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with magnesium and antioxidants that lower cortisol levels and support liver health, your body's hormone detox center. Food number 4: Salmon. This oily fish is full of omega-3 fats that keep estrogen in check, improve mood, and boost brain health. It's also great for heart and skin health as hormone levels shift. Food number 5: Berries.
Blueberries and raspberries are powerful antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, stabilize insulin, and help keep thyroid function steady.
Food number 6: Eggs. Whole eggs, especially the yolks, are rich in B vitamins and choline, essential nutrients for hormone synthesis, metabolism, and brain function. Segment 4: Why this matters. Let's put this into perspective. In the US, over 60% of women over 45 report symptoms linked to hormonal imbalance. In the UK, the NHS calls menopause-related mood and sleep problems major health concerns. In Canada, hormone-related fatigue and midlife weight gain are among the top issues women face. These numbers highlight just how common and fixable this problem is. Balancing your hormones naturally through food can make a dramatic difference in how you look, feel, and function every day. So if you're ready to feel more energized, sleep better, and regain mental clarity, start by adding these 6 foods into your daily meals. Your hormones and your entire body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more natural health tips just like this.